Supreme Court's decision to roll back affirmative action on college campuses has people across the country weighing in. Welcome back. I'm Carlo Cicchetto.
I'm Marcella Lee. This morning, the court ruled race-conscious admissions programs at Harvard and the University of North Carolina violate the 14th Amendment. CBS 8's Jesse Pagan is here now breaking down the court's decision, the dissent, and what people are saying tonight. Jesse?
Carlo, Marcella, as recently as 2016, the court upheld using race as a factor in college admissions programs. Since then, the court has, of course, changed in makeup. The ruling won't have as much an effect in California, but people still have mixed feelings.
Dueling protests outside the U.S. Supreme Court were the start of a nationwide wave of reactions to the justices striking down affirmative action in college admissions.
From today, all children will be judged by the content of their character and also by their merit, not by color of their skin.
Activists arguing affirmative action discriminated against white and Asian applicants applauded the ruling. Writing for the court, Chief Justice John Roberts says universities can still consider, quote, an applicant's discussion of how race affected his or her life, be it through discrimination, inspiration, or otherwise. In her dissent, Justice Sonia Sotomayor says the decision, quote, rolls back decades of precedent and momentous progress.
I strongly disagree with the court's decision.
California Governor Gavin Newsom followed President Biden in sharing his disappointment, saying in part, quote, diverse schools are an essential component of the fabric of our democratic society. While the path to equal opportunity has now been narrowed for millions of students, no court case will ever shatter the California dream.
Taking that away definitely creates a gap in the educational system for a lot of people.
Students in San Diego have mixed feelings, with some saying race shouldn't be a factor at all. Affirmative action became a moot point in California's public universities decades ago when voters banned using race in admissions with Proposition 209. The court's decision today mostly applies to private schools here.
If they had faced discrimination, how they overcame it, those types of factors can be discussed in an essay, and a school would be permitted to consider it.
UNC and Harvard say they will comply with the court's ruling, but are committed to having students with different life experiences on campus. We reached out to some of San Diego's schools. USD tells us they still have to review how the ruling changes their process, if it does, but are also committed to inclusivity and diversity. Carlo, Marcella?
Thanks, Jesse.